I never thought I would like farming or organic farming. I just bought this place because I fell in love with this place and I like the idea of sustainable living. So, but once I came here, then I realized in my backyard I have this beautiful farm. We have these two bulls, so we use the traditional form of tilling the land. It's like staying in a village. We used to visit the villages as part during our childhood. Once I saw that, that is when I got a little interested and into organic farming. And I try and assist as much as possible in the farming aspect.
In my childhood, I used to visit our grandparents' place, which is near Warangal, about 100 kilometers from there, which was in the midst of a very big forest. And we really loved going there and enjoying the nature, the fields, the village environment and all. Later I decided that if I wanted to live or buy a place, that I would want to live in a place where we are close to nature. And Organ balanced all these elements and we were able to choose it without any delay. Yeah.
The best part I like about Nandi is my connection with nature. Like I'm able to connect more. And I'm able to relate it to my childhood days where I used to go to my grandma's place, go into the fields, pluck mangoes. So I'm able to relive my childhood.
My in-laws are from Assam and I have also grown up on a farm as a child. So coming to this place was in some way reconnecting with our roots and going back to our childhood. And since we have a young kid, we wanted the same experience for her as well.
I always dreamt of a life like this, but being a city-bred child, I could never think of giving up on the basic luxuries or I would say utilities we've got so used to, which we've grown up with, which have become like more of necessities for us. All those necessities I feel have been taken care of here completely, yet we are living in this rural environment which I always wanted to. So it's like in my own convenient space in my head, I've come back to my roots.
Very frequently we used to be to the villages in our childhood, but whereas now we are not able to take our kids, chala takkuva villages ki velladam, and we are not able to expose them to that kind of culture and they don't know what is tadi. And today unexpectedly we can say we had a nice gathering, like we planned for that tadi gathering. It was a different experience. So like having the tadi in the traditional way, in that leaves and all those things. That's all. Even in villages, I don't think they are experiencing this. We could see that here.
మాకు మార్నింగ్ వాక్లో ఈ ఆర్గానో మేము మార్నింగ్ వాక్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు వచ్చే ఆ సౌండ్స్ మాకు విలేజెస్లో వచ్చే సౌండ్స్ లాగా ఆ ఫీల్ మాకు క్లియర్గా కనపడతా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మాకు ఒక్కటే లేదండి, ఎడ్ల బళ్ళు, రోడ్లంటే ఎడ్ల బళ్ళు తిరగటం, మట్టి రోడ్లు తప్పితే మొత్తం మాకు విలేజ్లో ఉన్నట్టుగానే ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ విలేజ్లో నివసిస్తున్నట్టే ఉంటుంది, విలేజ్లో బతుకుతున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది, ఆ విలేజ్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నట్టు ఆస్వాదిస్తున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది.
The beauty is always in those shades of grey. How do you really find a balance in between and make a living out of this beautiful middle where there is that element of rural and urban? I think there has been a lot of thought that went into making this transition and making this combination rather quite seamless.